Hello everyone, welcome to our new YouTube video. I'm sure IELTS की speaking की complete one shot video आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाली है. This is your IELTS coach Meel Narula and today I'm going to talk all about speaking. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. I will be talking about these three important components which you people need to know before you enter your speaking test room. You need to know that your speaking is divided into three parts. मैं अपनी वीडियो में हर पार्ट के बारे में बताऊंगी कि किस पार्ट को कितना टाइम वहाँ पे देते हैं. Then it's gonna be about tips. कुछ टिप्स हैं जिनको आप अगर पहले से ही जान लेंगे तो स्पीकिंग एग्जाम में आप नर्वस नहीं फील करेंगे एंड यू विल बी वेरी ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द एग्जामिनर टू गिव योर आंसर्स. देन इवेंचुअली देयर विल बी सम प्रैक्टिस टॉपिक्स जो आप घर पे आराम से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम हॉल पे जाने से पहले. Moving to the first component, that is you need to know that your speaking is for like 10 to 12 minutes and it is divided into three parts. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Part 1 it's for like 4 to 5 minutes. They are going to ask you basic questions about your home, hometown, your preferences, what you like to eat and all that stuff. You need to give full sentence answers. Don't give one word answer. Then they're gonna go to Part 2. That's gonna be a cue card. They're gonna provide you a booklet and in that booklet the question will be written. You will be also given a pen and paper where you can write your pointers and 1 minute will be given. You can practice, you can make pointers for 1 minute and then you need to speak for 1.5 maximum 2 minutes in front of the examiner. Last part it's more or less the follow-up questions. The cue card which is given to you, they're gonna ask few more questions about it. Sometimes they change topic as well, but उसमें कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. They are very basic things. Basically, they want to listen to your opinions, how you think about the things. It is an informal test. Don't think that it's like an interview. Moving to our second component, that is tips. It's a simple speaking test. It's not necessary that you need to use formal language. You are not going for any interview. It is always advisable that you use informal language. For example, you can use slang like wanna. Those things are 100% perfect to you. Then you can go a little bit of off topic. बच्चे क्या करते हैं when they come out of the examination room, वो बोलते हैं मैम हमें बैंड्स नहीं मिलेंगे क्योंकि हम थोड़ा सा ऑफ टॉपिक चले गए थे. एग्जामिनर पूछ कुछ और रहा था, हम थोड़ा सा कहीं और चले गए. But that's not the point. You can go off topic because they are not going to give you your numbers on the basis of the content. For them, fluency, grammar, vocabulary and coherence. These are the 4 important parameters under which they are going to give you bands and each of them has the ratio of 25%. And this is our last component, that is topic. When you know that your speaking is divided into 3 parts, in every part they're gonna ask you different questions. Part 1, they're gonna start by asking your name, what is your full name, and then they're gonna ask for your passport because they need to verify the details. Then they're gonna ask questions about your home or your hometown and there are different topics. Make sure that you're not giving one word answer. You're providing a little bit of detail, let's say for 2 to 3 sentences. Please give a default why answer. Otherwise, they always ask you why and that's gonna irritate you. Part 2, they're gonna give you a cue card. For example, describe your favorite book or describe a website you visit frequently. And there are some sub questions also written. वो cover करने इतने important नहीं होते हैं. That's your call. You want to cover those sub questions or not. And for example, the question is describe your favorite book. एंड आजकल की जनरेशन बुक्स इतनी पढ़ती नहीं है तो उनको समझ नहीं आता है कि हम कुछ और बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं. फॉर श्योर इफ लेट्स से you don't read books but you are more into movies or you like to go to some places, you can switch the things by simply saying that books they are not my cup of tea but I like to visit different places and recently I went, and then you can move on. Part 3 खत्म होते ही they're gonna ask you few more follow-up questions. They're gonna ask questions, little detailed answers are required. You need to give answers for like 6 to 7 sentences. अगर आप वीडियो के इस पार्ट तक आ चुके हैं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. And we are also on Instagram. This is our Instagram handle. And if you want to have personalized classes, you can give me a call on this number. And residing in Delhi, it's a boom because then you can visit the place and you can see all the setup and start with your IELTS journey.